Hi there, thanks for joining me for this final video in our Repricer demo playlist. In this final video, we're going to take you through a whistle-stop tour of our advanced features in Repricer. We're just going to be scratching the surface on each of these features, but we do have other videos on the channel which you can use to learn more about each of these features. Getting started straight away with integrations and automated imports, Repricer comes with a number of out-of-the-box integrations you can use. These include Linworks, Skubana, SkuGrid, among others. What I would like to highlight though, we also offer automated import solutions via FTP and API. Using your own FTP or using ours, you can automatically pass files into Repricer for processing. You can also use our API to import files, export files, or even generate reports. These are must-use features for any enterprise-level seller. Next, I'd like to talk about two advanced repricing features available on Amazon, which we have not touched upon. These are the velocity and business rules. Let's start with velocity rules. Velocity rules are cool as they allow you to reprice even if there are no competitors on your listings. A velocity rule will look at your recent sales and will increase or decrease your price based on these. Tie them in to one of your existing repricing rules to ensure you're always repricing, even when there are no other sellers to compete with. Business rules are used to compete with other business sellers. They allow you to upload a different business price for your products directly to Amazon. You can also automatically apply quantity discount rules, where you will offer a discounted rate if the business buyer is looking to buy more than one unit. Both these rule features are must-use for any seasoned seller. You see, I wasn't joking about this being a whistle-stop tour. Let's move on to our multi-channel feature. Multi-channel allows you to send your Amazon price out to a different web store. The most popular of these are Shopify, Walmart, and eBay. By linking these stores to Repricer, you can set Repricer to automatically send your Amazon price to the web store with a variant. For example, your price on Shopify might be your Amazon price minus 5 cents. This is a quick, easy, and powerful way of managing your prices across multiple channels. Next, we have automations. Think of an automation as a way of moving your products from one repricing rule to another automatically. How automations work is you can set up to 3 triggers which will move your rule if all selected are triggered. For example, you might have your product move from one rule to another based on your repricing status, whether you have the buy box, your orders, sales, or sales rank. This is very powerful and allows you to automatically change how competitive you are on the fly without you having to lift a finger. The most common use of automations is to automatically move your products to be more competitive whenever your sales have proven lackluster. I would strongly recommend you pop in and make use of this exclusive feature. Information is power, and that's where the competitor screen comes in. Using the competitor screen, you can get a breakdown of your main competitors across your listings. You can see how well you stack up against them and on how many listings you're competing with. You can also automatically create competitor rules directly from this screen. In order to understand who you're competing with, this is definitely the screen to use. And last but far from least, we have reports. Within Repricer, we have a full suite of reports that you can generate on the fly for whenever you need them. You can also create your own custom reports and save them for future use. You could even schedule reports or pull these directly from the API if you want. And there we have it. That is our quick demo playlist of Repricer.com. We've laughed, we've cried, we've learned something. I would like to thank you for joining me for this adventure. If you haven't already done so, I would encourage you to register a free trial at Repricer.com. If you enter the promo code RepricerDemo25, you'll get 25% off your first month. If you have any questions about the system, please do reach out at support@Repricer.com. And of course, to explore some of the many other videos we have here on the channel. Thanks again for joining me, and please have a great day.